Now today we have to discuss the topic water. Discuss the water, that is the topic hard water. Now the causes and effects of hard water. The hard water, it is leather to form scum with the soap, and it is caused by the presence of dissolved calcium and magnesium compounds present in that sample, which detergents are not affected in the by the hard water. There are the types of hardness. There are two types of hardness: temporary hardness and permanent hardness. The temporary hardness, it is known as carbonating hardness, or it is also alkaline hardness, and permanent hardness, it is also known as non-carbonating hardness or non-alkaline hardness. Now this hardness, it is caused by, it is the presence of calcium and magnesium, of chlorides and sulfates. The hardness is tested using the soap solution. The greater the volume of soap needed, that harder the water. We discussed the temporary hardness. Temporary hard water, it is formed by rainwater react with the limestone, and the rainwater is slightly acidic due to the presence of dissolved carbon dioxide. Rainwater, it is a weak solution of carbonic acid that react shows the calcium plus water and carbon. It shows the calcium hydrogen carbonate. It shows the reaction. The temporary hardness can be removed by boiling. Calcium hydrogen carbonate decomposes on heating. It shows the formation of calcium carbonate, water, and evolution of carbon dioxide. Limestone, it is formed when temporary hard water, it is decomposes. Second, it is the permanent hardness. Permanent hardness, water, it is caused by the presence of calcium or magnesium in the form of sulfates and chlorides. The calcium and sulfate and magnesium sulfate is slightly soluble and dissolved when rainwater runs over the rock like granite. Now the permanent water, it is not softened by the boiling. So the methods are using to removal of the hardness by both the temporary and permanent hardness. So the temporary hardness is removed only by process of boiling. It shows the reaction, the decomposition of the bicarbonates. Now the permanent hardness can be removed by using external methods, that is by using as washing soda, removal of both the type of temporary and permanent hardness. Now the ion exchange method, it is also to remove both the soluble, that is positive and negative, that is cations and anions, from that sample of water. Next, using as the soda ash method, it is can only remove the permanent hardness of water. It is due to by calcium sulfate. Now the water is said to be hard when it contains the calcium and magnesium ions. These ions react with the soap to form insoluble substance. It is called soap scald. The calcium and magnesium ions, along with other metal ions such as iron as well as the lead, can be removed in the form of hard water by addition of EDTA, that is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. So that ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid to use to determine the hardness of water. That EDTA has a greater affinity for calcium and magnesium when it is in the form of dihydrogen ions. This is the ionic form of EDTA. When that EDTA is reacted with the presence of ions, that is calcium and magnesium, it is always to form insoluble, or it is unstable complex of calcium and magnesium. Now this determination of hardness by using experimentally using the titration by using the glasswares, burette, pipette, conical flask as well as an indicators. Carefully release the liquid from the pipette until the bottom of the meniscus for the calibration lines. Release your fingers and allow the liquid, the pipette, to drain into the beaker and flask. Touch the tip of the pipette to the side of the beaker or flask to completely drain the pipette. Now, when you have to titrate that, it will be show the endpoint, and after you have got the volume of EDTA, it is consumed by sample of water. That gives, that is the volume of EDTA. That means you know the volume of EDTA, you have to calculate the temporary, permanent as well as total hardness of water by using the equation, and that finally shows that is hardness of sample of water in terms of ppm or milligrams per liter. Thank you.